The Rug, a short horror film made with a crew of older adults. Oops. Oops. Oh. It's The Rug. That's the name of it.
Should
The
I?
Rug.
Yes.
I don't know if I'm picking a rug out the trash like that. I really don't. There's a reason they threw that away. It's probably got like cat pee in it. Got a little smell check first. Oh, she going wrong. Hey, you ain't gonna clean it?
Very nice.
Okay.
Ugh.
Oh. I'm almost done. Like 10 minutes.
No.
Your end, everything's down.
Okay. Okay. Oh.
Wait, she just literally swept that under the rug? That's insane. It's so thick. You can definitely see it.
It's the second Tuesday of the month.
And good morning to you, Mr. Genetti.
I come for the rent.
I don't have it.
That's crap. I know for a fact that the pension checks were delivered today. Mr. Bouzette down the street.
Dude, are landlords ever actually like that? Oh my god.
He paid me, no problem. So did Mrs. Colleen.
Well, mine didn't come in the mail.
Nice try. But never bullshit a bullshitter. Excuse me.
I don't think you'd have like legal right to just walk in like that. I mean, she didn't really stop him. Where'd the lump go?
I got 6 families practically begging me to live here.
He's such a
Perfect
little
family
man.
willing to pay double. Double!
I'm sorry.
Where do you keep the stash, Dowell?
I don't.
What's with all the cookie tins?
I like cookies. Stop, please. It's not necessary. Stop it.
Oh. That's
Hey,
immediately
now.
what I thought too. Oh, that thing marble too. That would crack a skull.
Now that is a good start.
Ew. I mean, how are you gonna clean that up? Oh, she's just gonna leave it. What a savage. Put it under the rug. Oh shit.
Oh,
Huh? The fuck? Like eat stuff? What about the blood?
okay.
Ooh, it's gonna dissolve everything but his shoes.
All right.
And his hands. Oh gosh, he's not even dead. Oh, maybe some rigor mortis or something. It depends if the rug is down with murder, you know? Ah, exactly what I was thinking, bro. Ew. Tuck 'em under.
Okay.
Wow, easy cleanup, huh?
Get under there. Okay.
How can that go bad? Is it hungry?
Edna Dowell?
Yes.
I'm Maria Giannetti. My father owns this house.
Oh, isn't that wonderful? It's so nice to meet you. Come on in.
Too. Thank you. Yes.
Is she just gonna kill her too?
He left the house a week ago to collect overdue rent and hasn't come home. And so I was wondering, since you're one of two tenants who was overdue, if he came here?
Yes, he did come here. And I'm sure I gave him the rent money.
Well, that's wonderful.
Although my memory's a little bit hazy sometimes.
Oh.
Perhaps we better check my book. Would you like to come in?
Oh,
Sure.
Yes, sure.
Come on.
She's
Okay.
already
Oh, I
inside.
love them.
Oh, I've got lots of cookies.
Chocolate chip?
Yes.
Great.
Oh. Immediately killed her. Wow, she switched to a cold-blooded murderer immediately, like so fast.
Better than nothing. Patience.
Does Carver want to get paid? I think it's just hungry. She gotta feed it.
Stop that.
It's like a pet.
What do you want?
Soudah, my name's Officer Park. I'd like to ask you a few questions.
Yeah, he definitely looks like an officer.
All right.
I've been going around through the neighborhood asking everyone if they've seen Marty Giannetti, your landlord, or his daughter Maria.
Oh. Well, I didn't even know they were missing.
May I come in?
Okay. Okay.
Bro, you can't just kill the whole police force. Like, what is the plan?
Something dying here.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Mr. Giannetti was known to make visits to problem tenants.
Problem tenants. Oh, well, then no wonder I haven't seen them.
Some people on the street said that they saw him knock on the door a couple of weeks ago.
Yes, he did come over. He responded to a call about a leaky faucet in the bathroom, and then we just had tea in my kitchen.
Mrs. Dow, I don't mean to be rude, but people on the block have been complaining about a bad smell the past few days.
I don't
That's, where's
smell.
it going?
No
Where
one's
the
saying
bodies are
anything now,
going.
But would you mind if I took a look around the house?
I don't know why you need to do that. And also, any other day would be fine, but today is book club day.
Mrs. Dow, it'll just take 5 minutes.
Maybe you could come back next week.
Ma'am, I'm here now, so I just want to get this over with.
Well, okay, that's fine.
It's just gonna kill him from the floor. Yeah, now she knows she's too deep in now. I mean,
Oh,
where are they going
Bad
with the
rug.
bodies?
bad rug. Very bad rug.
Uh-oh. It bit her. Oh no.
No.
can't go up the stairs. Oh god, she's done for. She's disadvantaged. Oh no, she's fine. She's eating everything. Oh. She's gonna call the cops on the carpet.
Pizza Land, pickup or delivery?
Delivery.
Oh, she just kept feeding it. Oh no, she never broke out. Damn. That was actually pretty good. I didn't know what was gonna happen like the whole time. That's a pretty good thumbnail. We're gonna have to make it anyway, so. Alright, well that was pretty good stream.